Welcome to the newest phase of celebration. Look at this beautiful park, guys. So many parks, so many amenities. You are going to die for these multi-generational homes behind me. Disney had a vision. Walt Disney World wanted to build an Americana neighborhood, and this is celebration. So let's check it out. Every home here, guys, has a porch, so you can kind of get to know your neighbors. Don't forget to look at my channel where I have all of celebration and everything and amenities that you can have. But these have the garage apartments, guys. So many different models where you can have your kids, you can have your mom, you can have your dad, and be really close to Disney. I love celebration, guys. When I was a little girl, I always wanted to live in Disney World, and the downtown of Celebration is kind of like Main Street in Disney World, and every weekend there are celebrations. One of my favorites is around Christmas time. They have Florida snow. I'm not gonna tell you what Florida snow is, but they have Florida snow coming down. They've got art festivals. They've got, when my kids were young, I'm not gonna tell you how old my kids are now, we used to come here for the best trick-or-treating and some of the greatest restaurants you're gonna find right here in your own personal downtown. Do you want to be 10 minutes from the gates of Disney? Do you want to be within almost walking distance of your own downtown celebration? Then this is the place, and these are the homes. If you love the outdoors, there's over 27 miles of trails, over 5 pools. Some of the top golf is here. And don't forget, we've got your kids. There are amazing schools in the neighborhood. And if you're worried about that traffic that you keep hearing about in Orlando, you have your own on-ramp to the 528 Beeline Express. Hey guys, this is your beautiful back porch, and you have your private entryway to your garage apartment. So follow me and let's take a look. Have you seen a beautiful entry or more beautiful entryway than this to a garage apartment? This is Celebration, guys, and you can get 1 or 2 bedrooms in this garage apartment. Let's go. So if you're ready to live in your Disney dream home, comment Disney below and we will zoom into your living room. We're going to make a custom plan for you guys, and we are going to find you the home of your dreams in your budget and meeting your family needs. I'm Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Store Realty, and I will see you on the next video.